thank you so much, guys. It's Makamugenda right now. I'm here in Diani, guys. Yeah, I'm here in Diani. Let me say hi to my friends. Let me say hi to my friends, guys. This is evening. Right here, I'm in Diani, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on watching Makamugenda. This is our evening session. And today we have a Nyatiti vibe. Nyatiti vibe. We will be killing a show in Lagoon Papillon. So just keep on watching Makamugenda. Asanteni sana. Yeah, this is Nyatiti vibe. Keep on watching Makamugenda. This is a Nyatiti vibe, and remember, this is an evening session where I'll be giving you some authentic Nyatiti. Yeah, and it's Makamugenda right now live on YouTube. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Makamugenda. This is an evening session, baba. Evening session. Just doing very fine, very fine. Yeah. Yeah, walande, omera, walande. Yeah, thank you so much. Walande. Serious. So keep on watching, guys. Makamugenda is a evening session, and here we are in Diani, guys. I'll be showing you how Diani is. Diani is here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It's Makamugenda live on YouTube. Keep on watching this. How Nyatiti is, how Diani is today. Is very busy, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time so much, because you know today is another day. India is a siku nasikianga. This is a day where everything is just fine. Just fine, guys. So guys, is today it's very nice, very nice compared to the other days. Hizo siku zingine ambayo imekuwa, but tumekuwa busy with time, lakini still we appreciating very wonderful Saturday, and I'll be giving you some vibes. You know, there's a Nyatiti vibe. I'll be showing you Nyatiti vibe, Nyatiti vibe. Today ni kukil ni kumado. So, man, keep on watching. This how those people are just going. They are going for the boat ride. Yeah, but today I see many people. They are just going very fast, going to the boat ride. They're just going. Keep on moving. Yeah. So, thank you so much, guys. It's Makamugenda live on YouTube. This is how Diani is today. It's very awesome, very nice. Yeah, so this is how this place is today. Yeah, and we have to appreciate for everything that we did. Yeah, so this is a very wonderful evening But remember, today also have a Nyatiti vibe. I'll be performing in Lagoon live performance. I'll be giving you live performance in Lagoon Papillon, where you will be getting some Nyatiti. Yeah, some authentic Nyatiti from Makamugenda. Yeah, so asante sana, keep on watching Makamugenda. This is how life is Diani. How life is Diani. It's very nice. People are just busy doing their own things. Yeah, so there's a high percentage of people that are moving to the river for the sunset. You know, people normally watch sunset every day. Yeah, so keep on watch Awocha. Yeah, this is how beautiful is this place, guys. So I'll be taking you to this area. Today there's a quite number of people just moving to the boat ride. High percentage of people are just going for the boat ride. Yeah, na wengine wanagonga tu jaba pole pole. Hawana story. They don't have much. They don't have much to say. Yeah. So as I promise you guys, I'll be having a Nyatiti vibe. I'll be giving you a Nyatiti vibe. This is how beautiful is this place. But also remember, today we have a vibe Nyatiti dinner session. I'll have a dinner session in Lagoon Papillon, where I'll be giving you some authentic Nyatiti. Yeah, some authentic Nyatiti from lower Europe, from lower Europe, from Kisumu City. Yeah, so keep on watching Makamugenda. This is how nice place is. Yeah. I would like to take the other side, but still there's a lot of people there. But I like to you one. I'm proud of my team. I'm going to do all of that. Kau pes kino ala pawa ya rekod itu ini. Sini buana, buana waru mkabilo julo go. Ngena go. Waru mkabilo julo go baba. Waru mkabilo gitu. Yeah. yeah. But remember, right now is the season is coming. Season is now coming a bit high, lakini still is not too much. Bado haiko penye inafaa ikue. Hapa inafaa ijae kabisa. Yeah. So keep on watching. Guys, this is how beach is, Even leo beach inafanana bwana. Beach imetulia kimewegi. Ichokue marai. Ukiona maendeleo mara bai. Yeah, so hapo ni kuonyesha tu vile iko. Yeah. Kono hapo. Aje po. Yeah. So ayo kwa mzungu. Somo tu Swahili bwana. Ini maluore na chiel. Sai. Maji. Yeah. So keep on watching. Daki nyar kontrol ingat moroma makati wuogo to bende ok onyal ani ok onyal loko pache. Yeah, so keep on watching. This evening walk, taking a walk along the beach, along the beach. Aso ya kakakai chalo. Neno ke kakaka chalo baba. Dano dich kama Dano dich kama ko kedej. Don't hear me. Don't king was just alone. Maonge na ngoi daga king wa boina. Yeah, koroka uno. Ataka uno bongoto. But still, we performing a shot. Hello. My name is Makamugenda YouTube channel. If you get the online, subscribe for Makamugenda on my YouTube. Also, new video. Thank you. Yeah, bro. Ka. Ano kalaro ngeka. Dok no aja makuwinju kasi. Jangan mau bumi juga sang mobil ya udah dalam. Naporo di Madin ini enak lagi dulu jadi itu. Nggak ada video di sini. Rego. Kita kalau lo ke serius mayani aku nyaka golin apa lah ya dalam. So ada dia dari kau. Terus wuoyo kenda kamae. Ane jomoko kae giwalo ma chan giwalo mae. Ane jomoko kae giwalo ma chan giwalo ng'ome. Ne giwalo, ne jomoko walo. Kwa majina naitwa Makamugenda. Makamugenda. Kama saizi niko live. Wacha nimtegea niambie ukipatikana nataka kuniambia. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching Makamugenda. This is how it is today. Remember, today I have a live performance in Lagoon Papillon, and remember to subscribe to YouTube. It's called Makamugenda. Keep on watching. After this, I'll be giving you a Nyatiti vibe. Nyatiti vibe. Yeah, so just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Yeah, it's very cool, very nice. Umetulia sana. Yeah. So I'll be taking you to the other side of the beach. Alongside. Yeah, inaitwa aje baba. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to say it. Yeah. Baba hochale. Yeah, so just see how it is. How it is. People are just moving. Yeah, they are moving. But still there's no problem. We'll just watch them moving. Don't move, yeah? They're just moving. Moving. Yeah, so kuna matata. Yeah, so remember to subscribe to Makamugenda. That is the signpost of a estuary beach launch. Yeah. So you see, right now we are approaching high season, and the population is increasing every day. Yeah. Every day the population is increasing because right now we almost approaching high season, and it's also you see because there's a lot of people coming from the other parts of Natoka, some are from Europe, some of Austria, and some are from America. Yeah. So this is how this place is. Yeah. So thank you so much. Keep on watching. I know today you have never seen my face. Siati nimekatwa na panga. Sijakatwa na panga bwana. Wera. Yeah, sijakatwa na panga. So yeah, just keep on watching. And remember, I'll be giving you a Nyatiti vibe. Nyatiti vibe. Thank you so much. I want to give this gentleman some vibes. Makamugenda. I'm just moving very fast to the other side of the beach. It's called Makamugenda. There's a evening vibe. Thank you so much. Now subscribe to and you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, guys, keep on watching Makamugenda. Right now, I'm moving very fast, going to the side of the lake one, or of the lake of the beach. I'm moving to the beach, Omera. Yeah, I'm moving to the beach. I'm doing this. This is how we survive here in Diani, guys. It's very, very, very nice evening. And how is Diani? Some can ask how is Diani? Diani is sawa. Wacha niwaonyeshe maji before I park. Yeah. Najua watu wana the funny thing hata wanijui nikitoa hizi vitu. And that's the main thing ambayo kwa iko simu wao inanisaidia nayo ba. Wananisaidia sana, wananisaidia sana. Yeah. Excuse me. Can I talk to you? My name is Makam. Subscribe, watch. Asante sana. Jamani ndio pesa kusongre. Mana gima doka fanya. Jokuma utauta chupni. Omera ya kwaro ngelo Kamugenda. Joko tichiendo kama ani sini wa chokodima. Ndio bichi nyaloga deika. Agora bizayo aquele lion. Ini yando kawo mangato ka indi matek. Ka winjo wach free jino to. Aula nyakwaro ngolo Kamugenda. Yeah. Ando ko badho bwana wana to mbele ke life wa. Ko chuma to chiemo maber to. Koro in mine. Ni nyama jaba ko. Ngara ngima ne bwana. So keep on watching Makamugenda. This is the evening session, guys. Right now I'm going just very fast to the other side of the beach. I'm just trying to show you how the beautiful it is. And remember, today I have a special, more than special, guys. We call it Nyatiti Jazz. Yeah, Nyatiti Jazz. But I'll be just doing acoustic. Just yani kuchocha. I'll be just giving you a acoustic performance by Makamugenda there in Lagoon. Yeah, so just keep on watching Makamugenda. This is the evening session, and I'll be killing the show today. Yeah. So just 1 minute. Yeah, so people are just busy, guys. They are busy doing their own things. Everyone is busy here, just doing. So just chilling watching and do what we are here to do. So that's all. You see, this is a group. I don't know this is which kind of organization. I don't know. Yeah, so just keep on watching. Yeah, see them. Yeah, people are busy, guys. Yeah, kila mtu ako busy kivyake. So just keep on watching Makamugenda. This is the evening session. I'm just going very fast to the other side of the beach so that you can watch how it is. And remember this one we call it here, we call it no, this is a river Kongo. Yeah, guys, this is river Kongo. Kongo is a very nice place, very busy place. Anytime you just travel to Diani Beach, just come, watch, experience, enjoy. Rudo ada kama chat mana.
المنطقة بحلا فينو It's a good deal, come on. So just keep on watching, guys. This is a Makamugenda, this is a evening session. Here. It's a evening session.
Yeah, keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much. Right now, I have already reached where I normally do my vibes, eh? Yeah, kuna wadiko guys, watoto warembo lakini wanagonga jaba bwana. Yeah, this is a very wonderful evening, guys. Kila mtu ako na demu wake hapa bwana, people are just busy. Kama uko solo, you have to. Thank you so much. Keep on watching Makamugenda, and remember today I'll be giving you some vibe, some vibe, and remember also I have a sometimes I'm happy, oh I'm happy, oh I'm happy, yeah. Sometimes I'm sorry, I don't know what come over me, yeah. I don't know what come over me, Makalili. Oh la la, yeah. La la la, la la. I babom in Lagos, I babom in Dubai, I babom, yeah. Yeah, cara jogi dongi domi loco. Give me a lot to me, give me a lot to me, give me a lot to me. Yeah, you gotta jogi, do me a lot to me. Don't really jogi, to get love for the hour. Get on, get on, get on, get on. So keep on watching Makamugenda. This is live Maka. Yeah, so keep on watching Makamugenda. This is live Maka. Yeah, Indiani. This is a Nyatiti vibe. Sometime thank you so much. Keep on watching. These are just an introduction of what we will be doing today. You know, today I have a vibe. Yeah, I have a lot of vibes, guys, which I know you will enjoy. Today's Makamugenda is a live performance, guys. Yeah, we're doing. There's no copyright here. Yeah, there's a song say. Yeah. I have a lot to give you today. I have a lot to give you guys. Shit,